Meta Business Suite login error code 10 is one of the most common authentication failures affecting business users. This error appears across Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp business platforms, disrupting daily business operations. The error manifests differently across platforms. On Facebook, you might see authentication failed messages. Instagram shows page loading errors with cookie-related suggestions. WhatsApp business users experience similar login disruptions. Error code 10 typically stems from four main issues. Session conflicts occur when multiple browser instances interfere with each other. Corrupted cookies prevent proper authentication token validation. App cache problems disrupt credential storage. Network connectivity issues interrupt the authentication handshake process. For immediate browser-based solutions, start by clearing all browser data, including meta-related cookies and cached files. Update your browser to the latest version to ensure compatibility. Temporarily disable ad blockers and privacy extensions that might interfere. Test the login using incognito or private browsing mode to isolate extension conflicts. For mobile app issues, first update the Meta Business Suite app to the latest version from your App Store. Clear the app's cache and data through your device settings. This removes corrupted temporary files. Restart your device to refresh system processes. If problems continue, uninstall and reinstall the app completely to ensure a clean installation. These immediate troubleshooting steps resolve 85% of error code 10 cases through browser fixes alone. Most users can expect resolution within 15 to 30 minutes. These quick fixes address the most common underlying causes and restore access to Meta Business Suite efficiently. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve error code 10, we need to investigate deeper account-level issues. The first step is verifying your business account status to ensure everything is properly configured. Next, conduct a thorough audit of user roles and permissions. Recent changes to admin access levels or role modifications can trigger authentication errors. For session management issues, implement a single sign-on approach. Log out of all Meta platforms simultaneously and avoid multiple concurrent sessions, which can cause authentication conflicts. Prevention is key to avoiding future error code 10 occurrences. Standardize browser versions and security settings across your team, and implement regular maintenance schedules. Expert recommendations include using dedicated business browsers and implementing network-level optimization. Digital marketing specialists emphasize the importance of team training, while IT security experts recommend corporate firewall configuration reviews. By implementing these advanced troubleshooting techniques and prevention strategies, you can significantly reduce error code 10 occurrences and maintain smooth access to Meta Business Suite for your entire team.